the seeds of knowledge, and we, the students, nurture them to grow into something beautiful. A pleasant noon to all gathered here. This is Jessica Aisha from class 10. Today I am here to speak about one of the most influential factors in the learning environment, which is the bond between a teacher and a student. First, to begin with, a teacher-student relation is the connection between a learner and an educator, built on mutual trust, respect, and open communication. The bond is very crucial in students' success, enhancing motivation, confidence, and academic growth, also further extending beyond academics to provide social and emotional growth. I would also like to further extend my talk by speaking about this influential bond and how it is important to value this bond. This bond acts and helps as a catalyst for academic success by creating a safe and supportive environment in the classroom where students feel encouraged and comfortable asking questions, taking risks, and also exploring new ideas without the fear of judgment. And a foundation for personal growth by going beyond academic achievement. This bond nurtures a student's emotional and social development. A teacher can be a mentor, guiding a student through personal challenges and helping to build crucial life skills, and also by giving a source of everlasting impression. Many adults can look back and remember a teacher who made a profound effect on their lives, and by believing in them even when they didn't believe in themselves. Relating to this amazing bond, I would like to say the value of this bond through a story which is found in our class 10th English syllabus, Boli. In the story, initially, Boli was Sulekha, but was also known as a dumb cow and was not cared and nurtured by her own family. But as she continued to grow up, she was reluctantly sent to school, and that changed her entire life. The teacher in the school didn't care that she stammered and so, but only cared to teach and build confidence in her. The teacher's guidance went beyond academically, teaching empowerment and self-confidence. By this, we can at least understand that having a positive and supportive teacher-student relation is important in learning environment. I would like to end this little talk by encouraging both teachers and students to understand the value of this bond and to continue nurturing it. It is not the textbooks that have the important lessons, but the connections we forge. Let us not take the presence of teacher for granted, but also respect the teacher for their valuable time and care they put into teaching us. For all the teachers who deleted ignorance, helped in gaining knowledge, and motivated to study hard, supported emotionally, and also who taught not only lessons in school but also lessons in life. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you. Everyone present here. Today I stand in front of you to share one of my poetry about teachers. In the classroom, a teacher stands, guiding minds with gentle hands, nurturing young hearts and souls, helping them reach their goals. Their words are more than just a lecture, they spark curiosity and adventure, inspiring students to explore and strive for something more. Through lessons, laughter and tears, teachers shape the coming years, building a foundation strong and true for students to pursue all they wish to do. So here's to the teacher, wise and kind, who light the way for curious minds. May their influence forever shine and their legacy be one of the great kind. Thank you.